As Nelson Mandela said, it is the duty of every citizen to obey the law, and it is also their right to challenge the law. That quote reminds me of a fascinating incident from India during the British Raj. British officials were alarmed by the rising number of venomous cobras in Delhi. To solve the problem, they announced a bounty for every dead cobra. And guess what? At first, the plan worked. Thousands of snakes were killed. But soon, something unexpected happened. People started breeding cobras just to collect the reward. When the government realized this perverse incentive, they shut the program down. And the breeders? With no payouts coming, they released all the snakes. The cobra population became higher than ever before. This real-life story is now famously known as the Cobra Effect, when a well-intentioned policy creates the exact opposite outcome. Economists still use it as a classic example of how incentives can backfire. Now, here's the real question. Whom do we blame? The British Raj for creating the policy? The Indian citizens for exploiting it? Or the law and justice system for not foreseeing it? The truth is, no one has a crystal ball. Lawmakers create the best laws they can with the knowledge they have. Citizens respond to incentives in predictable, and sometimes unpredictable, ways. What this story teaches us is powerful. Laws evolve because someone is brave enough to say, this can be better. If you disagree with a law, don't ignore it. Challenge it with reason and amend it with courage. That is how societies improve. That is how justice moves forward. And that is how we build a better world for all.